The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, I'm going to talk to you about something that had happened where it is said that the police discovered a body in a barrel in downtown Kingston. Alright, and I'm going to explain to you about that according to how I understand as to what has been said in reports out there about this that had happened. Alright, now please bear in mind that there might be more information about the whole thing that had happened, but however, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand as to how it has been said in reports out there. Now viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there about the body of a female that had been found in a barrel that was on a handcart in downtown Kingston. Now the discovery of the body said to have happened on the 26th of February 2020 at sometime at around 8:45 p.m. in downtown Kingston, that is Kingston of Jamaica. Now, according to reports, it is said that the body had been identified, and it is said that the body is of a female that is from the place that is known as Downtown, that is in West Kingston, that is of the country of Jamaica. According to reports, it is said that the female body had been found in the barrel with hands and feet bound. Now, according to reports, it is said that at some time at around 8:45 p.m., it is said that a team of police officers were in downtown Kingston, and it is said that two youngsters were seen pushing an handcart in downtown Kingston. According to reports, it is said that the police saw the youngsters and believed that they are acting suspicious, and according to reports, it is said that upon instincts, the police asked the youngsters to stop. Now, according to reports, it is said that the young men ran, leaving the handcart and the barrel that was on the handcart upon realizing that the police officers were asking them to stop. Now, viewers and subscribers, according to reports, it is said that the police officers went over to investigate, and upon investigation, it is said that they discovered that a body was in the barrel along with things that are considered to be garbage. According to reports, it is said that the youngsters are believed to be teenagers, and according to reports, it is said that this that had happened where a body of a female had been found is believed to be an ongoing feud between gangs within the Downtown area and so on. Alright, now please bear in mind that what I just told you is based on reports that is out there, and that there might be more information about this whole thing that had happened, and I'm just explaining to you according to how I understand as to what has been said in reports out there about this that had happened. Alright, so anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where me leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yazid.